Hey, it's Kaylin from Travel Yourself, and on this episode of Where She Stayed, I'm at the Brewhouse Inn Suites in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now, as many of you know, Milwaukee is known for its beer, and specifically it's known for Pabst Blue Ribbon. And the Brewhouse Inn Suites just so happened to be the original brewhouse for Pabst, and it was brewed right here down in these kettles for over 100 years, finally closing in 1995. The Brewhouse Inn Suites was opened in 2013 and is a 90-room hotel, and it surrounds the old kettles today. Let's go check it out. Travel yourself. When you first enter the room, you come upon this great large bathroom with every amenity you could need, and a nice stand-up shower, a nice tall mirror, and a wardrobe to keep your things, and then a large open area with the rest of the room. First, here we have a nice bar with some lovely Pabst Blue Ribbon beer, and a full kitchenette, which is dishwasher, stove, microwave, and a fridge. Then over this way we have a great little work area, flat screen TV, and of course these two very comfy queen-size beds. Now at the hotel, they also offer continental breakfast each morning, and this is a great place to stay if you're visiting Milwaukee and if you're a fan of the PBR.